Don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel.
Yo, what's up everybody, it's Alexi, and we're about to dive headfirst into the beating heart of New York City. This place, it's more than just skyscrapers and yellow cabs, you know, it's a living, breathing timeline. Today, we're uncovering the 10 most interesting and significant monuments you absolutely must see. We're talking about the buildings that have seen it all, from the roaring 20s to the dawn of the Instagram age. Alright, let's do this thing. Alright, we're kicking things off with an absolute icon, the Statue of Liberty. This colossal sculpture stands tall on Liberty Island, a gift from France to the United States, symbolizing freedom and democracy. I mean, come on, you can't talk about New York without this lady stealing the show. She's not just a monument, she's a living piece of history, a testament to the enduring spirit of America. But here's the thing, she's more than just a photo op. She's a symbol of hope, resilience, and the promise of a better future. She's a symbol of hope, man. That torch she holds high isn't just for show, it represents enlightenment, lighting the way to a better life. Think about it, for over a century, immigrants arriving in America, they looked up and saw her, this beacon of freedom. Imagine the relief and joy they must have felt after long, arduous journeys. Can you imagine the emotions? The fear, the anticipation, the hope? It's powerful stuff. The Statue of Liberty has witnessed countless stories of dreams and aspirations. And that torch she's holding high? That's not just for show. It represents enlightenment, lighting the way to a better life. It's a beacon for all who seek freedom and opportunity. It represents enlightenment, lighting the way to a better life. It's a symbol that transcends time and borders, inspiring people from all walks of life. We've all seen the pictures, but trust me, nothing compares to seeing the Statue of Liberty up close and personal. The sheer scale of it all, the way the sun glints off her copper skin, it's awe-inspiring. The sheer scale of it all, the way the sun glints off her copper skin, it's awe-inspiring. So next time you see her, remember, she's more than just a pretty face. She's a symbol of everything we hold dear. Alright, buckle up because we're heading straight to the top, literally, the Empire State Building, baby. This skyscraper, it's more than just a bunch of steel and glass, it's an icon. It's a symbol of New York's resilience, its ambition, its drive to be the best. Think about it, built during the Great Depression, this building was a beacon of hope in a time of despair. Can you imagine the guts it took to build this thing during the Depression? It's mind-blowing. These guys were working tirelessly, hundreds of feet in the air, with nothing but their grit and determination. And the view from the top? Forget about it. You see the entire city sprawled out before you like a concrete jungle, and you realize anything is possible here. Yo, we're about to get our steps in and walk across one of the most iconic bridges in the world. The Brooklyn Bridge. This isn't just any walk, it's a journey through history, a stroll that connects the past with the present. This ain't just a bridge, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of connection. Every cable, every stone, tells a story of determination and vision. Back in the day, connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn, it was a big freaking deal. Imagine the excitement and the challenges faced by those early engineers and workers. Think about it back then. Building a bridge of this magnitude, it was unheard of. The sheer scale of the project was mind-blowing for its time. It was a feat of engineering that seemed impossible at the time. The visionaries behind it had to overcome countless obstacles and skeptics. But they did it, brick by brick, cable by cable. Each piece meticulously placed, each effort contributing to the grand structure we see today. Walking across the Brooklyn Bridge, you can feel the history beneath your feet. It's like stepping back in time, feeling the echoes of the past. You see the city from a whole new perspective with the East River flowing below. The view is breathtaking, a blend of natural beauty and urban majesty. And when you reach the other side, you can't help but feel a sense of accomplishment. It's more than just a walk, it's an experience, a connection to the heart of New York City. Alright, let's hit the pause button for a minute and step inside St. Patrick's Cathedral. Trust me, even if you're not religious, this place will blow you away. It's like stepping into another world, a world of peace and tranquility, right in the middle of the hustle and bustle of Fifth Avenue. Look up at the vaulted ceilings, the stained glass windows, the intricate details. It's enough to make you catch your breath. This cathedral has been standing tall for over a century, witnessing the city's evolution. Think about all the people who have walked through these doors, seeking solace, guidance, or simply a moment of reflection. Take a seat, close your eyes, and just breathe. It's a reminder to slow down, appreciate the little things, and find peace in the midst of the storm. Alright, check this out. The Flatiron Building. This ain't your typical skyscraper, this is a pioneer. I mean, look at this thing, it's like a triangular slice of history wedged right into the heart of the city. Back in the day, people thought this building was nuts. They called it Burnham's Folly, thinking it would collapse in a stiff breeze. But guess what? It's still standing over a century later, defying the odds and looking damn good doing it. It became a symbol of innovation, proving that sometimes taking risks pays off. So next time you're strolling through New York City, take a minute to appreciate the Flatiron Building. Yo, have you ever walked into a place and felt like you've stepped back in time? Like, the moment you step through those doors, you're transported to another era? That's Grand Central Terminal for you. It's not just a hub for trains, it's a portal to the past. This ain't just a train station, it's a Beaux Art masterpiece, a symbol of New York's golden age. The architecture alone is enough to leave you in awe. I mean, look up at that ceiling, it's like staring into a celestial map. The constellations are painted in gold, making you feel like you're under a night sky. They almost tore this place down, can you believe that? Imagine losing such an iconic piece of history. Thankfully, cooler heads prevailed, and Grand Central was saved from the wrecking ball. It was a victory for preservationists and history lovers alike. And thank goodness for that, because this place is a treasure. It's not just a station, it's a living museum. The hustle and bustle of commuters rushing to catch their trains, the click-clack of shoes on the marble floors, the iconic clock in the center of it all. It's like a heartbeat of the city. It's a symphony of urban life. Every person, every sound, every movement contributes to this grand performance. Grand Central Terminal is a reminder that progress doesn't always mean tearing down the past. Sometimes it means preserving it for future generations to marvel at and enjoy. Alright, this next one's a little different. One World Trade Center. It's impossible to talk about this building without acknowledging the tragedy that came before it. But out of the ashes of 9/11, a new icon was born, a symbol of resilience, a testament to the unbreakable spirit of this city. Standing tall at 1,776 feet, it's the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. And that's no coincidence. That number 1776, it's a powerful reminder of the year America declared its independence. It's a beacon of hope, a symbol that even in the face of adversity, we will rise again. Visiting One World Trade Center is an emotional experience. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can overcome any obstacle. Alright, feast your eyes on this beauty, the Woolworth Building. This is what they used to call a skyscraper, and man does it live up to the name. This building was a game changer, a testament to the ambition and innovation of the early 20th century. It was the tallest building in the world when it was completed in 1913. Can you imagine that? It's like something out of a Batman movie with its Gothic arches, intricate details, and towering presence. They don't make them like this anymore. Step inside, and you'll be transported back in time to the golden age of New York City. The Woolworth Building is a true icon of New York City, a reminder of the city's rich history and architectural heritage. Alright, get ready to be blinded by shine because we're checking out the Chrysler Building. Talk about making a statement. This Art Deco masterpiece is like a love letter to the machine age. It's all about sleek lines, geometric shapes, and a healthy dose of automotive inspiration. The story of the Chrysler Building is a classic New York City tale, a race to the top, literally. Walter Chrysler, the man behind the car company, wanted to build the tallest building in the world, and for a brief shining moment he did it. But the Chrysler Building isn't just about height, it's about style. The Chrysler Building is a reminder that architecture can be art, that buildings can inspire us, and that sometimes it's okay to be a little bit flashy. Alright, bookworms and history buffs, this one's for you, the New York Public Library. This ain't just a library, it's a temple of knowledge, a cathedral of learning, a sanctuary for the written word. I mean, look at this place, it's majestic as hell. Those marble columns, the grand staircase, the iconic lion statues guarding the entrance. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the smell of old books, the hushed whispers of students studying, and a sense of quiet contemplation. The New York Public Library is more than just a repository of books, it's a symbol of the power of knowledge, the importance of education, and the enduring legacy of the written word. So, there you have it, folks. 10 of the most historically significant and visually stunning architectural wonders New York City has to offer. Thanks for joining us on this journey through New York City's most fascinating historical architectural monuments. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next video.
By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest and greatest tips and tricks, so go ahead, like, share, and subscribe now. And remember, stay smart, stay safe, and keep exploring.